my name is Rebecca. I want to tell some delicious restaurants. First, I want to tell about Outback. Outback is steak restaurant. You can go with family. The steak is rich and salty. So I order medium rare, and you will like Outback's interior. It has many high quality tables, and their prices to 12,000 won. Second, I want to tell about Go Pizza. Go Pizza is pizza restaurant. You can go with alone because the Go Pizza is good for eat alone. If you go to Go Pizza, their interior is covered with brick, and pizza's taste is salty and rich, and it will be 7,000 won. I will recommend potato bacon pizza. Third, I want to tell about Ashley. Ashley is buffet. You can go with family too. The price of Ashley is 2,000 won. Their interior has many lights and looks like very richly, and can eat many foods like pizza, steak, but quality is normal. Taste is like sweet and salty. Fourth, I want to tell about Yapdok. Yapdok is tteokbokki restaurant. You can go with friends. Their interior is clean. I like Yapdok because they have many amounts of tteokbokki and make many kinds of rice cake. Their taste is spicy and their price is 90,000 won. Thank you for listening, and these are my favorite restaurants.